I think, Ayush, we are all aware that Germany as a destination is more for technology,
Of course, I know.
right? And we do have good universities, public and private, offering management courses.
Hmm.
But if you ask country specific forte, their forte is technology. We can look
Technology and
at,
engineering.
yeah, we can look at other destinations as well. However, I'm not denying we can't help you with for Germany if that is your primary target. But
No, I want to be
making
specific
it
with
relevant,
Germany only.
making it relevant to you would make more sense because you've got a very good profile.
And apart from that, I think I sent Miss Deepti around all my language
Marksheet.
certificates as well. I got like language till B1, A1, A2, B1. And currently, I'm
Right.
gonna do B2 because I'm focusing more there because I have more opportunities there. I can have a secure future because I can look my past to that.
Yes, so profile looks very strong. And if the focus is only Germany, and if not Germany, then nowhere else, then we should definitely find out some quality universities where management as a course would be beneficial for you. Now, within
Like,
management, there are several things that you have already pointed out in your list. And these
I
are
see.
these
I
are
mean,
all very different fields in
of
themselves.
course, I know.
So you'll have to filter them. If you need our
Like, let me
help
tell you, this list is
discussing
very
each
raw,
of
but
them, that is fine.
I know very well about every field. These fields are very raw. These are not connected. But like, why I wrote all these is like some courses which are not that renowned. I can easily get a good university in that because, firstly, that is a point, and all these things are linked with my past experiences. And
Okay.
I've checked the future opportunities of all these things. Majority are leading. AI is of course leading, but I don't have that uh, background, so I don't just want to get in there. Of course, AI is needed everywhere now, but like I would like prefer to go for luxury brand management, then public relation, non-profit management,
I would
uh, su-
recommend I would recommend corporate communication and public relations. Yes. You seem to
corporate
be a very good
communication,
fit here. Yes.
sustainability and ESG management. Of course, this is also a growing one because the SDGs once achieved, they will have other many future jobs also because more it would get extended ahead the sustainable development goals. So of course, all the developed countries need this. So I look this as also a good option.
So
Hmm.
I
I
think
hope my screen is visible.
Ayush, it is certainly. Ayush, like Deepti
Again,
mentioned, this is a very long list. You yourself will have to narrow down to exactly what you're looking for.
I
You've
send
narrowed
top five.
down your country. That
I would
makes
also like to ask one thing here is that how did you come up with all this list? Did you find these courses being offered at certain universities that you visited online, or these are some things that you've pulled out and you're interested in on your own?
So see, the thing is, I have a lot of friends in Germany. I just was
Okay.
looking around the universities, and these are the courses which, like some university, like I'll give you an example: sustainability and ESG, and I'll give you another example: social development somewhere it's not written. Sustainability. See, these are two different courses. One is sustainability and ESG. One is sustainability and innovation. So every university has their own pattern. Like, of course,
Right.
some would name it as A, some would name it B, but till then the point is same. They are teaching the
Right.
same thing only.
Absolutely.
Just the names are different. So this list looks like a very big list, but in general, this is repeated courses only. If we'll just
Correct.
see deeply, one is luxury brand management, then brand management, media management, event management, all these comes under the same roof. If you
सिखाएंगे तो
see,
मैनेजमेंट और लीडरशिप ही, but
of
it's
course,
just that you may get a feel of these different
it's just
industries
like
within
commerce.
those 2 years.
It's just like commerce with legal, psychology. Just one
Correct.
subject is changing, rest everything is same. The root branch is same. So majorly, if you see, there are three categories. One is entrepreneurship, marketing. The third one is social. That's it. उसी के repeat हो रहा है.
Right. Which one is are you more interested? Or are you open to any of them and just selecting a good university where the environment is
I'm
good,
open to any of them.
placements are good, weather is good, so that you can study well?
I'm open to any of them.
Any of them, okay? So what we can do is we can definitely share some names of the universities where courses, MBA in entrepreneurship and social and marketing are offered. And you can match them with your list, because I'm sure you would have your own list since you have your friends there and you've done your research also. And
I have a lot of friends here. I have even in London, like more than 100, 200 people. But like I don't want to do London. I thought that was an option also.
Would you want to consider France and Italy?
No. They are against language specific. I will have to learn language. My German would go waste.
Your German is
Why should I
quite
waste time?
good. Yes.
Why should I waste time? I'll have to go to Italy. I have to learn language and way to work around
Right.
there.
Okay, fair.
Doesn't make any sense.
That makes sense.
Yes. So
Because
this
you
is
had
my profile.
mentioned luxury brand management, and for luxury
because
brand
that's-
management, Germany would not be the right place. You deserve better
Yeah,
better
so that
universities.
Milan would be very good. Like if
Ah,
I specifically look around, like, but like in Germany, there's a very big thing like which many people just don't see. There are luxury car brands, so they need the social media management, they need brand management, and like I was just looking around, there are hundred of jobs. Apart from the jobs, there are hundred of opportunities to build businesses, startups, and so I just feel like Germany में ये इस सब्जेक्ट पे फोकस नहीं होता ज़्यादा जितना बाकी कंट्रीज में होता है लेकिन जर्मनी में अपॉर्चुनिटीज बहुत हैं बाहर
maybe
से लोग आते हैं
technology is what
Of course.
takes the primary, vision for
Yeah.
there.
बट वहाँ पर
Nobody can beat Germany
सारे
for technology.
yes there are all the luxury brands there like BMW, Audi. Apart from that there are technological brands, there are clothing brands. Adidas is from Germany, and so they must have the brand management. They all come under a luxury sector.
Ayush, they do have, but
So-
when it comes to they teaching these, that's not so good. There are other countries that are teaching better. That's the difference.
And again, even if you're not technology savvy with those automobiles or anything, but what is your aim ultimately? Are you looking for a career in sales and marketing of these products, of these technology-based products? No. Okay.
I just want to build my own. Firstly, I want to just gather the experience. I want to learn about business building. I know I still am doing in a business field only. Apart from that, I want to build either first option would be a social, like if you see my profile, social on
Right.
thing.
Yeah.
entrepreneur.
So I'm very good in this. But Germany is not a place which looks around CV. It looks around scorecards more. Like if I'll go to US, I'll go to Singapore, they'll work on my CV. London, they'll just take me without anything. London is
Right.
the easiest to get in. But like Germany में बहुत specific है admission. तभी I need the right
True.
guidance about the
So yes, that will work. And I see that you are only interested in gaining knowledge. It would not matter, you don't want to be specifically into technology. Your
Yeah,
forte would be social entrepreneurship and marketing, perhaps down the line.
I'll still
And
just give
going
me-
to Germany is, sorry?
I'm saying just give me time till right now it's 11:30. Just give me time till 1. I'll just give you 5 top courses of all
Mhm.
this list. Just
Mhm.
anything similar to that you guys can choose. I'll simplify it for you guys.
Sure.
You
And
will
we'll share
help
the
yourself.
university list.
You'll
Sorry?
help yourself.
Yes.
Yeah, so please go ahead, filter that down. It will help you also in applications. And once the universities are finalized, this is the right time to begin, because the portals will be opening for next year now.
Yeah, done.
Yeah.
Let me just get back to you by 1. I'll just share. I'll make a group with you two, and I'll
Sure.
just share in the group only, so we stay connected to this. I'll plan a visit also offline very soon, like maybe next week or this week. I'll tell my dad also to dad want to talk to you once.
Absolutely.
That'll be good.
We would like to talk to them before you get on board. That would be great. So if you would come to office, you're most welcome, or else we can meet online.
Hmm. I
Yeah.
think it's more than clear now. So I think the point is clear. So like you also got the photo like which I'm looking for. I also understood like how you guys gonna do it. And like you guys will I'll give you the shortlist university, you will give me the option. I'll give you the
Absolutely.
courses, you'll give me
And
the
then we'll
option.
start the documentation. That is going to take a lot of time for Germany.
We'll
Which
have,
There are
to,
documentation you
financial.
think?
we'll have to look at
ACS?
APS as well if universities would require APS.
So in Germany there is one block account APIs, then you just need
That's it.
that accommodation visa. That's it.
Accommodation.
And
Yes.
IELTS is needed, right?
Yes.
IELTS
And
12
you're
is
sorted
over.
with your German language scores. So that is fine.
But I'm being very specific right now. I just don't want to do the course in German language. I want to do an English one.
Yeah,
But
we'll
still,
offer
they would
masters
want your
are in-
scores in German language because they want to understand if you will be able to communicate locally there or not. Although the courses will be taught in English,
Yeah, I
but
just
they
don't want to
still.
look weak. I just don't want to look weak. My language is good, like it's intermediate. So I just don't want to focus on language that much. I want to focus more on CV and English course so that I can just grab.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So what I meant was you already have those scores to mention in the application. Those are
Visa
just
application
documents
would
that we'll
help.
have to submit.
Hmm.
You'll have to have a good score in IELTS, 7 and above, for a good public university. So just work on that and get that too. And let's finalize the universities based on your interest.
I have to do IELTS or TOEFL.
Take IELTS.
We
IELTS or
recommend
TOEFL.
IELTS. Yeah.
Okay, so let me just get the IELTS certificate. Let me just enroll for that.
Sure.
After
Sure.
it's clear, I'll just share the courses. You just help me with the top universities according to your search. Then we'll work on that. Just looking at the public university. Try to find in Berlin and München. Munich, I mean, that's in German, München. So just try to find in these two places. Apart from that, if
Okay.
there is any extraordinary university in some other outskirts, it works.
All right.
Like
Okay.
Otto and all.
Sounds
All
good.
right. Sure.